Today, I'll walk you through how to create a monthly dashboard page in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your monthly planner so you can stay organized and on top of your tasks. Let's get started. First, open your OneNote desktop application. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and launch it now. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Next, we need to create a notebook specifically for your monthly planner. To do this, click on File and then select New. Choose a location to save your notebook, give it a name, and click Create Notebook. This will serve as your central hub for all your planning activities. Now that your notebook is ready, let's add a section for the specific month's planner. Right-click on the notebook name in the sidebar and select Add Section. You can name this section after the month you're planning for, like October Planner, to keep things organized. Moving on, we'll create the first page as your planner overview. Click on the Add Page button and title it Monthly Overview. Here, you can add a calendar where you can jot down your major tasks for the month. Think of this overview as the big picture of your month, helping you visualize your commitments at a glance. Next, it's time to add individual pages for each day of the month. For each day, create a new page and link it back to your calendar. You can do this by highlighting the date in your overview and using the Insert tab to create a link. This way, you can easily navigate between your monthly overview and daily tasks. Inside each daily page, add a table that is 3 columns wide and 24 rows deep. Label the columns as Time, Task, and Remarks. This table will help you structure your day, allowing you to allocate time for each task and jot down any important notes. Now you can specifically add your tasks on your daily task page. Start filling in the tasks you need to accomplish each day, along with the time you plan to work on them. This structured approach will help you stay focused and productive. And there you have it. You've successfully created a monthly dashboard page in OneNote. This organized setup will not only help you manage your tasks, but also give you a clearer view of your month ahead. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.